We had Johnstown Days, BBQ Days earlier.
I don't know
Here,
that they have,
we have the kids
this
zone.
is what it says for the bill.
Berthoud Days Kids Zone. Plus other fun stuff. I'm gonna go find some tacos and food somewhere. Yeah, look at that. My nephew's gonna go ride the air stuff. Let's see. What do we got? Sometimes found what I'm after, the Taco Man food truck. It's over here. Taco Man. I've been to the sit-down place, so I'm gonna go check out the food truck this time. Unless it's a super big line. Waiting in line at Taco Man. It's going slow.
She thinks she's the passionate one. Oh, yeah!